Hi, this is Shane Sweeney. I work at the Greencastle Phoenix plant. I'm a maintenance technician here, Monday through Friday. So I've been here at Phoenix now for 14 years, and I originally started out at the Naperville plant. Ken Bauer, he gave me a good opportunity. I just finished an electrical trade school, but then after a couple years on the night shift there, I heard about the Greencastle plant opening up, so I transferred down here and was a vital part of successfully starting this plant up. Then from there, I was promoted to a lining technician maintenance, and I've been in that job for about 10 years or so now. Improving lining machine processes and training others on how to repair and maintain the machines. I enjoy my job quite a bit because every day is a different day and there's always different challenges. I love boating. Me and my wife Angela, we often go boating every weekend we can, and we've been out to the Caribbean, and we visit my parents on their sailboat often. So I'll start with the first one. Hopefully we can casually do this. Maybe I got a nice scar here from ear to ear, and when I was 6 months old, I had cranial facial surgery. Very painful process. I might have superpowers now. Just kidding. I have a very large family. I have 47 first cousins, and we love family gatherings, weddings, you name it. And any place we go, we pretty much always have someone to visit. I was a business leader before I even finished grade school. When I was 12 years old, I had my own lawn mowing business, and saved up and bought a riding lawnmower even. Best purchase ever until it broke down, and then I had to scrap it. The Chi salsa. Definitely favorite salsa, and the artwork looks great.